Hey everybody, Pampered Chef Karen here, and welcome to my kitchen. I am coming to you today with something a little bit different than I normally do. I am trying out a brand new recipe. Now, I've never made this before, and this is to make homemade mayonnaise. So I'm gonna tell you, my family, we go through a lot of mayo in my house, and normally this is what I buy. Hellmann's mayonnaise. We love it, but let's look at the ingredients here. There's a lot of ingredients, and the expiration date is January of 2020. So there has to be a lot of preservatives and stuff in here to make it last a long time. Now the mayonnaise I'm gonna be making today probably is only gonna last about a week, but I'm okay with that because I'm only making about a cup worth at a time. And the way my kids go through mayonnaise with the sandwiches and maybe, salads and coleslaws and stuff, I would rather make it and know exactly what's in it. Little by little, I'm starting to make things from scratch in the for the family, just because there's so much preservatives and so many things in the stuff that we eat every day. So for example, I'm gonna read off what's in this. So there's water, there's soybean oil, modified food starch, sugar, okay, distilled vinegar, egg, salt, lemon juice, and egg, salt, lemon juice is some of the stuff I'm going to be using today, but this other stuff I can't really read, like sorbic acid, and it's got all stars next to it. Calcium disodium EDTA, used to protect quality. That means to prolong it. That's preservatives right there. Natural flavors, extracts, so basically we are going to try to start ditching this and making it really simple in a mason jar, all right? So what am I going to be using to make it? This is not a Pampered Chef product. I wish it was. I have been dying for an immersion blender, so if my people from Pampered Chef are watching, we really need one of these guys. It's a hand blender. It's great for pureeing, like right in a bowl to make soups and things like that. I've been waiting for them to come out with one of these. Maybe this fall they will, but I do own one. I do use it a lot. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to show you how easy this is. Now, please note, I'm putting it out there, I have never made this before. My good friend Stacy, she made it and I saw how easy it was. I'm like, I'm just gonna go live and give it a go. So, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna get some fresh lemon juice. Guys, ditch the bottle. Fresh lemon juice takes 2 seconds to squeeze it with the Pampered Chef Citrus Press. Absolutely amazing. I'm gonna do it right in here so that I can measure it out. You get so much juice. Look, just from this one little half, look how much juice you get. It actually turns your citrus inside out. So look at that. So much juice. And it turns it inside out completely. Probably only need a half. So now I have my mini measuring cup because I only need 2 teaspoons of it. Okay, and I still have more left over, but that's 2 teaspoons. These are all measurements for tablespoons and teaspoons. And on this other side, you can do your solids. Like you can measure honey, you can measure mayonnaise, you can measure peanut butter. Really, really cool. So, we're gonna start with an egg, and I'm just gonna crack it right in here. So the key is the first couple of ingredients you're gonna put first, and the last thing you're gonna do is put the oil. So let's crack this right in here. And there are tons of recipes online. This is just one of them, and she did tell me that she really likes this one, so we're giving it a go. Now we want some sea salt. I had kosher salt, does it really matter? And that's 1/4 teaspoon. And I could post this recipe after, you guys don't have to run and get a pen. All right. Now we're going to put the lemon juice in. You could also use apple cider vinegar. So when I make this next time, I'm totally gonna try it with the apple cider vinegar. The other thing you could try differently is the kinds of oil you use. Today I'm actually gonna be using olive oil. It's what I have on hand. It's what I use all the time. But she tried it with avocado oil. I've never tried avocado oil. I'm definitely gonna try that next time. Okay, and now of course, gotta get some flavor in there, guys. Some fresh garlic. You could use garlic powder. We do have a Pampered Chef garlic rub, but I'm gonna use fresh garlic and crack it with my garlic press. Look guys, peel is on. That's the beauty of the Pampered Chef garlic press. You don't have to peel your garlic first. So I'm just gonna put this in here. Hear that nice crack? Boom. All that fresh garlic in there. We're gonna use my little brush that comes with it, my Barbie brush, and we're going to scrape that right in. And that's that. So now, that's it guys. The main ingredients are in there. I have my cup of oil. Just gonna pour that right on top. All right, Now you're probably saying, well, Karen, how are you making this? I am going to take the immersion blender and just put it right in here and hold it down till it sets and it looks like mayo. I don't know if Stacy's watching. Hopefully I'm doing this correctly. I'm just going ahead with it and seeing how this works. And then here's what I'm gonna do. So my kids love mayo. As I told you, we go through a ton. I'm gonna actually put this in a bowl, one of our 1-cup prep bowls, and I'm gonna taste and try a little bit of this one and have them do a taste test and we'll see. And this is live, guys. This is not set up. We're giving it a try. We got nothing to lose. Who's gonna try this recipe out there? All right, you ready? Just put it down. Hopefully this doesn't squirt in my face. I mean, that would make for good watching, but you know. Let's see. Wow, the bottom's looking like mayo-y. I don't think I go up and down. I don't think I pulse. I think I just hold it. I don't know. I don't want to mess this up. Kind of fun, right? I see you guys watching me. This is kind of fun. Who's going to try this? I'm kind of excited. These thick blenders are great. Oh wow, it's really starting to look like mayo. Who knew? Who knew it was this easy? Like, why wouldn't you make it fresh if it's this easy? So as you can see, I don't know if you can see because my shirt is backwards, but it says happiness is homemade. And I've really been trying more and more to make more homemade stuff. We've been doing our own pickles. You know, I know a lot of you probably think I'm crazy and who has that kind of time, but honestly, the amount of time it takes to do it is not that long, and the flavors and the freshness, and you know what's in it. All right, wow. I mean, I have mayo here. This is crazy. Look at this. Can you guys see? There's still some oil on top, so I don't know how long I'm supposed to hold this. I don't think I ever asked her, how long do you blend it? Stacy, you're on. Okay, how long do I do this for? Do I go up and down? I mean, it's pretty thick, but there's still a little bit of oil on the top. I don't know how long I do this for. But let me show you what it looks like so far. I don't want to over blend it. It smells really good. It's done? That's it? Is it really that easy? Wow. All right, let's see. Wow. That is really good. That is really good. I mean, it's flavorful. You can taste the olive oil. You can taste, wow. I taste the lemon juice. I do. My kids might be a little weirded out by the lemon juice or the garlic, but it's got a nice flavor. Absolutely great flavor. Just a little bit of oil on top. I want to make sure that's all blended. But like, I could just keep it now in my fridge in the jar because obviously it's a little bit of a different color. My kids are going to notice that. They will notice the different color. See, it's a little bit yellowy, but why is it yellow? Natural coloring, natural flavoring, right? From the olive oil, which I use a very good olive oil, and from the lemon juice. So you know what? I can't believe I just made mayo that quick. This is absolutely insane. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. Let's move this over. I'm going to take my scraper. I love this one because it's nice and long, and there's only a little bit of mayo left in this jar, so I'm gonna put some in here. They're gonna know the difference from the looks, but I'm curious to see what my kids are gonna say. Anyone who knows my kids has seen them before. They have very big opinions. They also have YouTube channels as well. You can check them out. I'm sure they'll come and shout out their YouTube channels. So they're gonna see the two different jars. They're gonna see the difference, but they'll be honest about it. Like I said, this has more flavor. It's not blah, it has a little bit more flavor in it. And the beauty of this is you can customize it. If you don't wanna put garlic in it, you don't have to put garlic. Emulsify the stick, blender, and then get out. Okay, perfect. That's kind of what I did. And it's done. It looks absolutely amazing. This is so crazy. Look, come up close and see that. All right, kids. Guys, come over here. I want you to taste something. Let's see. Let's give them all spoons. All right, come over here. One at a time. So this is Christian.
Hi. This is Carissa. Subscribe to my channel.
I told you they were going to shout out.
W Kombat.
All right.
The Challenger.
So one at a time.
I'll try first. DUCKIEKOMBA.
Okay, come on, one at a time.
What is that? Carissa.
One is one mayo and one is the other. Just have a little taste.
I won't. Ew.
Don't put your spoon back in.
I don't know.
You're not used to eating mayo by itself, I'm sure. So what do you think?
This one's way better.
Why is it way better?
It just tastes more fresh.
More fresh? Well, that is obviously the homemade one. You could see the difference, right?
This one tastes like sour. Oh, I
Well,
thought
it's
you
not
made
old.
both of those.
No.
Yeah, no. I do not like that type of mayo.
But you do put it on your sandwiches.
Sometimes I hate mayo, but this one's really good.
Okay, cool. And we can customize it. This one actually has garlic in it and lemon juice. So Brandon, would you like to
Oh,
try
I
it?
like lemon. All right, high five.
Oh,
Good
I
job.
was like, I thought you were asking me a question and raising her hands. And now, he loves mayo. We know this. Everything's extra mayo, so you know that's the regular one.
Yeah.
All right, so I want you to taste the difference in freshness. Now again, I added different flavorings. Wow, that was a big spoonful.
That's good.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
Would you like that on your sandwiches from now on?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
He's garlicky.
Yeah, you could be honest about your opinion.
Oh, really? I like it.
Okay, cool. And Christian,
I don't like mayo alone.
you don't like mayo
I know
alone?
what this mayo tastes like.
Okay, so you don't have to even try it. So just use that spoon right there. Just put it in. I'm just curious to see what you think of the freshness or if you could taste the difference.
I taste a big difference. It tastes good.
Yeah? Fresh? So
It
guys,
tastes like something, but I can't really put my finger on. Like honey and garlic combined.
well, there's no honey in it. But listen, we can get crazy and add honey if we want to because it's homemade. It's whatever we want to do. So, guys, there you go. No. Why are you taking my lemon? All right, let me conclude this. So basically, guys, there you have it. Homemade mayo. It was that easy to make. If any of the tools you see here today that you would like, please contact me. I'm going to play around with this with different kinds of oils and different flavors, like using the apple cider vinegar versus the lemon juice, and maybe with or without the garlic, and getting crazy. But I think I'm going to be doing this more often. How easy. I'm just going to put the lid on and it's going to go right in my fridge. It'll last about a week. And that's it. So I hope you learned something new today, guys. Something useful from your friend here, Pampered Chef Karen. Thanks for joining us in our kitchen.
Bye.